What's the meaning of cradle-snatcher? Cradle-snatcher. Cradle-snatcher.
Cradle-snatcher. Cradle-snatcher. The term cradle-snatcher is a derogatory way to describe someone who is dating or in a relationship with a significantly younger partner. The term is often used to suggest that the older partner is taking advantage of the younger partner's naivety and inexperience. This term is considered offensive as it implies that the younger partner is not capable of making their own decisions. Using this term can cause offense and perpetuate ageist stereotypes, which is not productive in building positive and healthy relationships between people of different ages.